Good morning, student. Introduction of statistical methods and economist. Statistics is the grammar of science. Okay, the Carl Pearson சொல்றாரு. So, ethnological and the illustrations of the statistical of global levels. The term statistical organized in the West and was known by the various names such as the status in a Latin statistic, in a Germans in statique in French. So, it's set of the Gottfried Advil as the use of the word of statistic, 1749. Describe the political scientific of different countries. All this name in short means is desirable political state. So the first books have been statistical as until title was Contributions to Vital Statistics by Franz G.P. Neisens is 1845. It was to prepare in statistical study of birth and death related data. So, first of all, father of statistical, the fundamental principles of the statistical were developed by the biologist Ronald Fisher. Lived in the England during the last century. His studies in statistical lead to the synthesis of evolution and modern genetics. The monumental contributions to the subject of statistics can be attributed to R.A. Fisher's 1890-62 was able to apply statistical to a varieties of fields such as biometry, genetic, and psychology, education, so agriculture and others. So besides, he also known as the pioneer of estimated theories, analysis of variance, and design of experiments, hence he is known as the father of statistics. The evolution of statistics in India. So evidence from the historical poverties that during the rights of Chandra Gupta Maurya, there existing systems of maintaining vital statistics including registers of birth and death. Such a recording can be found in the Kaitya's Arthashastras even before 300 BC. The books Ani E. Akbar 1596-97 mentioned the statistical and admirable surveys of the conducted during Akbar's rules. So P.C. Mahalanobis is known as the founder of modern statistical and also the father of the statistical of India. Since 2007-29, the June every year is celebrated as the Statistical Day. The commemorate the birth anniversary. So definition of statistical, first of all, the term statistical is used in two senses, the singular and the plural. The singular from the simple means of statistical method. Statistical when used in the singular form help in the collections. So presentations and classifications of the interpretations of data to make it easily comprehensible. It is plural forms of denoted collections of numerical figures and facts. It narrow senses it had been defined as the science is counting and the science is average. So definition of statistical as in the science of estimates and probabilities. So அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு புட்டிங்கர் சொல்றாரு. அதே statistical may be defined as the collection, organization, presentations, analysis and interpretation of the numerical data. Raxi Gowder சொல்றாரு. So characteristics of the fundamental of the statistical. First of all, statistical are aggregated the facts. For example, numbers of calendars pertaining in the years will not be called statistic, but to be including in the statistical, it should be cannot the serious figures with the relationship of the prolonged period. Statistical, numerical, enumerated, estimated, and expressed. Statistical collections should be systematical with the predicatory mind purposes. The purpose of collection of statistics should be determined before in order to get accurate information. So should be capable of to be being used as the technical of the drawing comparisons. It should be capable of drawing comparison between two different sets of data by tools such as average and ratio and rates of coefficients, etc. Functions of statistical pressure factor of different form. It simplifying mass of figures. It facilitated the comparisons. It helped to formulating and testing. It helped to predicating. It helps to formulating of suitable policies. Nature of statistics. Define statistical and economical differs to views about the nature of statistical, and some called it is the science and some says it is the art. So tipped on the other hands, considerable statistical both the science as well as an art. Scope of statistical. Statistical is applied in every sphere of human activities, social as well as the physical, like biology, commerce, education, planning, business management, information technology, etc. Statistical and economy. Statistical data is technical of immensely useful to solve the many economical problems such as fluctuating in wages, price, productions, distributions of income and wealth of so on. So, statistical and firms. Statistical wide uses of many form and find whether the product in comfort in the specifications are not. So, statistical is commerce. Statistical is lifeblood of the successful commerce, market survival of the play, important role in the exhibiting of the present conditions and the forecast of the likely changes in futures. Statistical and education. Statistical necessaries for the formulating of the policies of start new courses according to the charging environment. There are the many education institutions owned by public and private enhanced in the research and development work to the test past knowledge and evaluation new knowledge. There are the possible only track the statistic. So statistical and planning. Statistical indispensables are in planning in the modern world, which can be termed as the world of planning. Almost all the organizations in the government are seeing the help of planning in efficiency work for the formulating the policies. So decisions is executing of the same in order to achieve the above the goals. Various advanced statistical techniques are used in the processing, analyzing and interpreting data in India. Statistical play an important role in planning both at the central and state government level, but the quality of the data highly unscientific. Did you understand for this concept, ma?